Dear students, welcome back to the video class. Today in this video class, we shall discuss chapter 6, that is fraction. To understand fraction, look here. This is a circle. This is called wall. If we divide this circle into 4 equal parts, first, second, third, fourth, then each of these parts is known as fraction. So fraction is always smaller than the whole, and all the fraction together add up to give the whole, and this fraction is represented by 1 by 4. Means out of the 4 parts it represents 1. This also 1 by 4. This also 1 by 4. This also 1 by 4. So this is the meaning of fraction. Suppose you are given a fraction 2 by 5. Then this number at the top of the division line is known as numerator, and the other one below the division line is known as denominator. Then come to types of fraction. First one, unit fraction. If the numerator of the fraction is 1, then the fraction is known as unit fraction, like 1 by 5, 1 by 20, 1 by 7. Here the numerators are 1, 1. So if the numerator of the fraction is 1, then the fraction is known as unit fraction. Then proper fraction. Look at this examples of the fraction. Here the numerator is 2, denominator is 5. Numerator is 6, denominator is 11. In every fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So such type of fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is known as proper fraction. Improper fraction. Look at these examples of fraction. Here the numerator is 7, denominator 5. Numerator 11, denominator 3. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. 11 is bigger than 3. So such type of fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator are known as improper fractions. Mixed fraction. Mixed fractions are fractions which is formed by the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction side by side. If you write a fraction with one whole number and another proper fraction, then that type of fraction is known as mixed fraction. Then come to equivalent fractions. Two fractions are said to be equivalent if you can obtain one fraction from the other by the process of multiplication or division. Look here, if you multiply this number by 4, this by 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. See, we can obtain 4 by 8 from 1 by 2. Or if you divide 4 by 4 and 8 by 4, you get 4 by 4 means 1, 8 by 4 means 2. See, we are getting this. So if you can obtain one fraction from the other by multiplying or by dividing by a number both numerator and denominator, then the fractions are known as equivalent fraction. And one very important property of equivalent fraction is that for every equivalent fraction, the cross multiplication, that is, this into this into this, should be always equal. That is, 4 2s are 4 into 2 equal to 8, and 8 into 1 equal to 8. So, if two fractions are equivalent, then the cross multiplication of the numerator and denominator should be equal. If not equal, then the fractions are not equivalent. Like fractions. Look at this group of fractions. In this group of fractions, the denominators are same. Maybe the numerator is different. No matter for that. If the denominators are same, then the group of fractions are known as like fractions. Then unlike fractions. In this group of fractions, the denominators are different. So such group of fractions having different denominators are known as unlike fractions. How to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction? For this, let's pick up an example. This is an improper fraction. Now we have to change it into mixed fraction. Then what to do? You divide 25 by 3. 3 8s are 24. 1. Then this quotient should be written at the beginning, and here the remainder, and here the divisor. That is, this gives 8 whole number 1 upon 3. So this is the way how to change an improper fraction to mixed fraction. Now let's come to the way of changing mixed fraction to improper fraction. This is very important. You have to look carefully. Suppose you are given a mixed fraction for whole number 1 by 5. Then to change it into improper fraction, first you will multiply 4 with 5. 4 into 5. Then add 1. Then divided by 5. That is equal to 4 5 are 20. 20 plus 1 divided by 5 equal to 21 by 5. But to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction, you will multiply the quotient with the divisor, then add the remainder. Like this, you have to change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Lowest form. A fraction is said to be in the lowest form if the numerator and denominator have only one common factor, that is 1. They should not have other common factors other than 1. For example, factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4, and factors of 5 are 1, 5. What is the common factor here? The only common factor is 1. So such fractions having 1 as the only common factor are said to be in the lowest form or lowest term. Then how to change a fraction into the lowest term or lowest form? For example, 4 by 6. To change a fraction into the lowest form, you have to take the HCF of 4 and 6. So let's take HCF of 4 and 6 by division method. 4 1s are 4, 2. Then 2 2s are 4. So this is the HCF CF. So you should divide both the numerator and denominator by here HCF. So 4 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. 4 by 2, 2. 6 by 2, 3. Now 2 and the 3 have only 1 as a common factor. So this is in the lowest form. So to change a fraction into the lowest form, you should take the HCF of the two numbers, that is numerator and denominator, then divide both the numerator and denominator by their HCF. And what you got at the end, that is the fraction in the lowest form of the given fraction. Addition of fractions. First, like fractions. How to add like fractions? Example 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Then, if the fractions are like, then you will take only one of the denominator and addition of the numerator. That is 5 by 5 equal to 1. So this is how to add like fractions. Then how to add, let's come to how to add unlike fractions. This is what you have to take more care. To add two unlike fractions, first one, what you have to do is to convert every fraction into a group of like fraction. Then how to convert into unlike fractions to like fractions? For that, you have to make the denominator same. To make the denominator same, what to do? LCM of the denominators will be taken. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So, you have to change every denominator into 15 by multiplying by some numbers. So, 3. To get 15, 3 will be multiplied by 5. Same number here should come, and here 10 divided by 15. 12 divided by 15. This gives 10 plus 12 divided by 15 equal to 22 by 15. So this is how to add unlike fractions. Subtraction of like and unlike fraction is same as what we have done here. So let's leave that one and come to mix fractions and proper improper together addition. 2, 1 by 3, one mixed fraction given here and another improper proper fraction given here, improper fraction here given. If mixed fraction is present, always your duty is to convert it into improper fraction. Then you proceed. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So this mixed fraction becomes 7 by 3. Now this becomes a group of unlike fractions. We have to take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of, you take the LCM of 3, 5, 7, you will get 15. 105. So you have to convert this group of unlike fractions into like fraction by changing the denominator into 105. Will give 105. So we give 105. 105. Then 7 5s are 35. 7 3s are 21. 24. 21 1s are 21. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 2s are 2 2781 180. Six, 10, 14. One carry, 3, 4. So this is the way how to add group of fractions having different types of fraction, proper, improper, and a mixed fraction. One very important thing to be remembered is that in the case of fractional questions, if the answer is not in the lowest form, always you should convert it into the lowest form by taking the HCF of the numerator and denominator and dividing both the numerator and denominator by their HCF. So this is the point to be remembered. In every fractional questions, if the answer comes in the fraction, then it should be in the lowest form. Okay, dear children, for today let's wind up and remain topic in the next video class. Thank you.